although I'm not covering KRAS in my talk specifically, I think it's being covered by one of the other speakers. I think it's wonderful that we've now have some small molecule inhibitors of RAS. We never really thought we were going to have them. And I think this development of mutation-specific inhibitors has been critical because, of course, you cannot just generally knock out RAS in healthy cells that would have excessive toxicity. But being able to knock it out exclusively in cells that have a particular mutation, I think is wonderful. Now, unfortunately, we only have inhibitors for the G12C mutation right now. And I know that there are more to come. I think also we're going to have some downstream targeting agents against SHIP and a few other areas. But I've been very impressed with these agents thus far. I've been impressed by the fairly long duration of response that my patients who receive these therapies have had. The really modest toxicity, at least from an oncologist standpoint. I'm thrilled that we have these new agents. Of course, many patients with KRAS mutant lung cancer respond well to immunotherapy. And I think it's going to be important to be sure that people understand that immunotherapy remains the mainstay of treatment as first-line treatment for patients with KRAS mutations. And that we don't want to go to these inhibitors first line yet. Now, at some point, we may have the clinical trials that show that first-line therapy with these drugs is going to be ideal, perhaps in combination with immunotherapy, but those trials haven't been done yet. But we hope that they'll be accomplished soon.